Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your sheet so the script can read structured rows. Use columns like title, start, end, description, and calendar ID. Once done, open extensions Right Arrow App Script and create a new project so you can paste code. Make sure date and time values use a parsable format such as 2025-11-27T09, 00 or mm/dd/yihh. This prevents time zone and parsing errors later. Now you're ready to add the script that will push events. Next, paste a script that reads each row and calls calendar app. Get calendar by ID, calendar ID. Create event title, new date, start, new date, end, description, map sheet indices to the right fields. Run the function once and follow the authorization prompts. This grants calendar and sheet access. If scopes look excessive, inspect them before accepting. Add try/catch blocks, log statements, and write a status column with created or failed, so you can audit results and retry only the problematic rows. Finally, automate by setting a trigger. Open triggers, add a time-driven or on edit trigger depending on your workflow, so events sync automatically. Test with one row first, then verify the calendar ID and time zone match the target calendar. Mismatched zones or wrong ID cause silent failures. If something goes wrong, inspect execution log and Stackdriver logs for error messages, rerun the function to prompt fresh consent, and double-check date parsing. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.